Mitchell, come sit on the couch.
Mitch! Hey! Mitchell, it's not your cake! Happy birthday, Candace! Hope your first birthday is extra special. We can't believe you're one. Lots of love, Allie, Dick, and Adam.
Hello. Look at her. She's like, Dad, are you in there, Dad? Dad, come on, Dad.
Wow, down she goes.
Chelsea.
Candace, there's more.
Knocked her
I think she's in there. It's a present overwhelmed with Christmas and then birthday.
Oh, that's
Come
right.
Come here. Open it, sit down, Mike, because we're going to put the letters through.
Kim, there's no direction. This is just all the cool stuff you can buy for
Where's the
Disney.
batteries, Nick?
They're in the second drawer.
Because that one needs the battery.
Hey, Mitchell, go get the batteries. They look
Batteries. What kind of batteries are they?
Double A's.
NCO.
How many? Second drawer.
2. Dose.
Cute. Oh,
the box.
she taped the present for her with packing tape.
Yeah.
What's that, Candace?
More challenging. Oh, what? I mean, that was a birthday present.
Okay.
See, I'm so used to wrapping English.
That's not wrapped much.
Pass me that camera, Chelsea.
You should see me when I really get going.
Yeah.
Giddy ya,
She
boo.
used to do that. She used to tape everything when she wrapped the present.
Yeah.
Drove me crazy.
That's very
Oh.
We were told while sitting in that.
Oh, where did that come from? That one wasn't from us.
Hey.
Yes, come do this one.
Yes, come do this one. No? Yeah, Lord. You know better than to get in a butt fight with me.
Oh, ow.
Here. No, don't start.
That's it, Cass. Reach in there and grab it.
There you go.
Wait, let me see.
Oh.
She's had this present for like 2 weeks.
Got
And every
the
time she go near it, we go, no, no, no.
It's not an instruction book.
cute.
She gave you a book. It's not a book. It's like a list of stuff that you can buy from
Oh,
Disney.
thank you. Oh, look, there's a bunny boo. Candace, look. Do we care? No, not anymore.
Been there, done that, Mom.
Yeah.
See anything on here?
Okay, come here. Go for it.
Nope, we're on
Where's the box?
paint water everything. This is an adult game. Really? Kim, you should hear these instructions over here. Roll the bar for a fun sound.
Open the loco, pull toy.
Squeeze the
Loco
well.
in the cabeza.
Here, a light shine. Fish swim
Let's see.
to the tune of sing.
Absolutely. Out of everything people give, it's like that's always the prettiest.
Yeah, that's what? What a concept.
I know. I'm trying. Hurry up. Come on. I'm late.
No bad things.
Oh God, there's 2 more.
Oh.
Here, look, I'll help you. I'll show you how we do that.
No way.
Hey, I've done battery Okay, almost. Jeez, what do they think? Someone's gonna steal it out of a box? Do they pop?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. And when Mickey goes up and down.
That's cute. I like that. This guy is mini.
Of course, not if he's upside down.
Oh.
He's right up there.
Excuse us, we're having fun over here.
Mitchell, Chelsea, move.
I know. I'm not what.
Okay, well, I just can't tell because of where I'm at.
That's it. Chelsea, back off.
What?
Sort of challenge to couch it that way.
Yeah, I know.
You know that, like those.
What the heck?
And bum on the. I know. On the head, and that on the head.
Oh, a little bit more.
Mitchell, stop with the baton. Mitchell? No, that's not distracting. She's gonna turn around and smack him right in the head. Oh, she's got it into a routine now.
Candace, you can dance?
Come on, Candace.
Breakfast at Tiffany's.
Come on, Adam, jam, buds. She's got.
Excuse me. Excuse me. May I have this done? Excuse me. Excuse me.
She's never gonna dance unless you put that tongue away, boy. Mitch, leave him, please.
You guys, come on.
Good plan.
Candace. Card and everything.
And it's a number 7, so you'll always remember when you got a number
Indy
7.
500, they have those guys out there.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for remembering to say thank you.
This is the book, right?
Could be a fart.
Candace is very excited.
Hey, I want to look.
All right.
Barbie Club.
Where's Barbie's slumber party?
All right.
Now, all you need is a Barbie.
I think there is a Barbie in here somewhere.
No.
Makes it real simple so you can do it.
Cool.
Yeah.
We're sorry, there's only one present in there for you.
No, there isn't. Chelsea, open mine. Open mine.
Open yours.
Mama,
Book is a really good.
love.
Loves.
Just take it outside, put it in the
No,
trash.
but Mom told me to tie it.
It won't tie. No one's gonna dig in that. It's got no food in it. Pest control?
Pest. R. Fair.
Four?
Four. Oh, you don't.
Oh, pest
Four.
traps. 4.
No, read what Grandma wrote.
Why can you just done? Happy birthday. Ooh.
Wait. Okay. Hey.
I got the ear.
Hey.
There's a
Mitchell,
cat.
it's not your cake.
Gee, isn't this a good thing to put on it, huh, Mitch? Is that Snorts?
No, boy.
Can I?
Haven't seen him in a while. Was he even in the house the whole time?
No, he just came in.
Candace. Candace.
Candabar.
Candace. Hi.
Cutting, Chelsea.
Da
Now scoop it underneath.
da da. Boo.
Hey, Nick, get her cutting. Nick, get her cutting. Oh, well done.
That's to Mitchell.
That's to Mitchell.
Jeez, Mitch. Hungry? Hey, Mitchell, what do you have to say today? Look in the camera. What are you going to say?
Happy birthday, Chelsea. I hope you have a good birthday life.
You know what? Your girlfriend's going to see this when you're 18.
Oh, you jerk!
Hey.
Okay, Chelsea.
Put it down.
Okay.
What do you have to say today?
I hope you get. I like a birthday.
She's honest.
Okay, Mom, what do you have to say? Look
I
in the
am
camera.
very, very happy to have Chelsea in our lives.
Okay, that was very sick.
Whoa, whoa. Charles.
Okay, Candace.
Chelsea's.
Candace.
No, that's too
Boo. Pooh Bear.
That's too big.
Pooh Bear.
Stop it.
I want that.
What do you have to say? Da 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 da
Eat as
da.
much as you want.
But that,
Stop it.
I want to get the cake.
Young lady.
Mom,
Relax.
I'm going to get a cake for you.
Chelsea.
Chelsea,
Please.
stop please. It's very nice, but stop.
Good girl.
Today is Chelsea's birthday.
Yes,
Kansas. Some kids was
it was your what? That you're on the radio. Did anyone listen to the radio and hear it?
Tate?
Tate heard it on the radio. Did he know it was you?
She's not sure. She didn't know what I
You
was.
got it.
Mom. A girl named Sarah sits next to me.
Pull it off the fork. You're jelly. You're
Mom.
jelly.
Striped fish.
Yes. Is that the card from Grandma? Hold it still so Dad can focus
This is
on it.
from Grandma Lundy.
Lundy, Undy, Undy, why? Oh, and there's a kitty on the rug.
This is. Oh, look at me.
This is Mitchell
Go well,
when
sleep.
he's 9.5 years old. And
Nine
you know
and a half,
what?
silly.
And you know what his
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Chelsea.
Happy birthday! Hey, don't look at us now.
here.
And
Want
many
it?
more.
Candace, you want this? Here. Here. You want this? Come. Hey. What you doing, huh?
I've always wanted to look through one of those and see what it
What
looks
you
like.
doing?
Taping it.
Oh, she's falling asleep again, Kim. It's Thursday, February 18th. And about 11 o'clock. I was asleep just a few minutes ago. Since we didn't have a camera, I figured I might as well videotape it for you. There she goes. Pretty cute, huh?
Yes.
Mom, can I videotape it?
Oh boy.
The book?
Oh, what cute jam jams. Ooh, and a book.
A treasury of stories 7-year-old.
Mitch, can you move? Cool. Oh, Candace likes what else is in there. Ooh, pretty slippers.